Welcome to the Korean lesson for beginners. In this lesson, we will deal with a few Korean verbs and express them in complex sentences. We shall also learn to express time in Korean,
하다,
which means to do,
하다, 하다. 뭐,
which means what.
뭐.
However, there are other words in Korean which can also be used to say the same interrogative word. It all depends on the context of the situation. Hence, just learn them one at a time.
뭐 해요?
Which is the standard way to ask, what are you doing?
뭐 해요? 뭐 해요? 공부하다,
Which means to study.
공부하다, 공부하다. 말하다,
Which means to speak.
말하다, 말하다. 할 수 있다,
Which means can do or will do.
할 수 있다, 할 수 있다.
However, this expression can not only be added to the verb do. It can be attached to other verbs as well. Based on the verb ending with the vowel or consonant, the representation of this expression slightly changes.
잘,
Which means good.
잘.
We shall slowly move on to the conversations. This is a conversation between you and your Korean friend. Your friend notices you are quite busy and asks curiously,
당신은 뭐 해요?
"What are you doing?" You reply to your friend by saying,
나는 한국어를 공부해요.
"I study Korean." Your Korean friend is amazed that you have already started to make an effort to learn his native language and asks,
당신은 한국어를 말할 수 있어요?
"Can you speak Korean?" You reply with confidence,
나는 한국어를 잘 말해요.
"I speak Korean very well." We shall have a look at the conversation one more time.
당신은 뭐 해요? 나는 한국어를 공부해요. 당신은 한국어를 말할 수 있어요? 나는 한국어를 잘 말해요.
Moving on to some more vocabulary,
한글,
which means Korean alphabets.
한글, 읽다,
Which means to read.
읽다, 없어,
Which means not.
없어. 할 수 없다,
Which means cannot do.
할 수 없다, 가르치다,
Which means to teach.
가르치다. 주세요,
Which means please.
주세요.
Here is another conversation between you and your Korean teacher. It is the first meeting between you two, and your teacher is amazed that you could already converse in Korean. She asks,
당신은 한국어를 말할 수 있어요?
"Can you speak Korean?" You respond to your teacher's question by saying,
나는 한국어를 잘 말해요.
"I speak Korean very well." The teacher asked out of curiosity,
당신은 한글을 읽을 수 있어요?
Can you read Korean alphabets? However, you are not accustomed to Korean alphabets, and reply.
나는 한글을 읽을 수 없어요. 가르쳐 주세요.
I cannot read Korean alphabets. Please teach me. We shall have a look at the conversation one more time.
당신은 한국어를 말할 수 있어요. 나는 한국어를 잘 말해요. 당신은 한글을 읽을 수 있어요. 나는 한글을 읽을 수 없어요. 가르쳐 주세요.
Now, we shall learn how to tell time in Korean,
1시,
which means 1 o'clock.
1시, 1시, 2시,
Which means 2 o'clock.
2시, 2시, 3시,
Which means 3 o'clock.
3시, 3시, 4시,
Which means 4 o'clock.
4시, 4시, 5시,
Which means 5 o'clock.
5시, 5시, 6시,
Which means 6 o'clock.
6시, 6시, 7시,
Which means 7 o'clock.
7시, 7시, 8시,
Which means 8 o'clock.
8시, 8시, 9시,
Which means 9 o'clock.
9시, 9시, 10시,
Which means 10 o'clock.
10시, 10시, 11시,
Which means 11 o'clock.
11시, 11시, 12시,
Which means 12 o'clock.
12시, 12시.
These numerals are standard Korean numbers. However, in the next lesson, you will also learn about the Sino-Korean numerals, which are also used to express time. Thank you for the patient learning. We will explore more on the expression of time in the upcoming lesson. Stay tuned for more updates. If there are any doubts regarding the Korean lesson, please feel free to ask questions in the comments section.